Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorials Point. Today in this video, I will guide you on how to fix POF location or distance errors. So now let's get started. To fix POF location or distance errors on Android, firstly, enable high accuracy location. For that, go to Settings, scroll down and tap on Location, and then turn it on and select High Accuracy Mode. After this, make sure that you are using the latest version of Plenty of Fish. So go to your Play Store and then search for POF. And if you see any update, simply update the app. Another step is restart your phone. Restarting your phone may fix location or GPS problems, but the problem still persists. Simply contact POF support and they may help you with the issue. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.